Today we're going to be demonstrating how to install our armor into our Silent Valor modular backpack. We have two types. We have the soft aramid and the hard plate armor. Both plates in the armor are going to be sitting at the base of your back. So the first one we're going to do is the soft aramid. This goes into this section where the straps are normally going to be stored. So we're going to unbuckle this. We're going to detach both bottom straps on the backpack here. It's very simple. We just pull the straps up here, and then in this base here that sits against your back, we have a Velcro that's going to sit right here. We just simply pull up the Velcro here, and then we have a stiff board. So what we want to do is we want to place the aramid armor on this side of the plastic, because this is the base that's going to be sitting up against your back and providing that stiff support. You simply just take this. Now, one thing we want to keep in mind, there's a strike side and a side that should be facing away. So the bullet, when it strikes, we want to hit the soft side. The hard side should be away from where the impact is going to be. So the stiff side here, as you go inside, that's going to be facing against your back. So with the assumption that any weapons or anything is going to be coming from this direction. Slide in there, secure the Velcro right here, and then you're good to go. So the second part is where we actually put the plate carrier in there, and this is where you're gonna, if you have any larger caliber weapons, or if you have a need or worry that someone's going to be using a larger caliber weapon, then you can install a plate. So what we've done is we've supplied the support strap right here. And the support strap is what this does is allows you to adjust the height according to your torso, so to make sure that the plate is staying in a center mass to protect vital organs. So the plate carrier side is the next zipper back from here. So you open here, and if you look inside here, it's a little bit difficult to see. There's a Velcro spacings at the bottom. So we'll take this, we'll insert it down there, and you'll have to play with it, with the Velcro there to match to where you feel comfortable where it's going to be sitting up against your body. Every person's going to be a little bit different depending on how tall they are. So once you have the Velcro secured at the bottom here, then you simply just pick up the plate, drop it in. You're now secured. So for me, the plate's hitting it right about there. That's the top of the hard plate, and it's going right about there. So now when I place the backpack on, it'll be approximately center mass. So if we have front protection, you're holding it here. It's about center mass for me. And then when I put it on my back, it'll be the same overall distance on the back side here. That's all you need to do for insertion of the plates.